Fresh tension erupted between Meitei farmers and nearby Kuki villagers today after Meitei farmers were denied entry to take up farming activities at SADU LAMPAK, located around 1 kilometer from LEITANPOKI under Kundrakom Assembly Constituency in Imphal East District. The incident occurred around 8 a.m. when a Meitei farmer who came in a tractor to plow the paddy field was confronted by Kuki villagers who objected. Soon after, some Meitei individuals also arrived at the scene and an exchange of catapults took place between the Meitei and the Kuki communities. A team of border security force stationed in the area, led by Imphal East Additional SP, arrived at the spot to control the situation. However, the security forces resorted to using tear gas shells. Speaking to media, a Meitei farmer highlighted that the main source of income is farming for most of the Meitei villagers residing in this area. He added that the Meitei farmer went for farming activities with the assurance that 95 BSF company will provide security for them. He further expressed concern over the presence of armed Kuki individuals in the area, stating that despite their visibility, BSF personnel did not take any action and that according to security forces, they lacked the authority to arrest the armed individuals. The farmer further stated that around 50 acres of land owned by Meitei are currently being cultivated by Kuki people. Expressing concern over the situation, he warned that Meitei farmers may be unable to cultivate around 25 to 50 acres of land unless authorities, including the district's SP, Sagolmang OC, and Imphal East Deputy Commissioner, take prompt action. He further voiced his disappointment over the inability of BSF personnel to take action despite being present to protect the farmers.
Koidi taseng na haraga santi pami adubu mapone tori bisi sigi kunida ngasai nongmai pai bisi hoi uhi ubu nongmai phade moi da power pidi haidana adu ai koidi taseng na mapam telo ubudi ngamaroi taseng na khogi LEITANPOKI primary school sita leiri baje 95 bese company ma thami baje akoi matandigi waraba ibom sana thi sengna khotna magi khonare la khoi kungi panju mai thab gi singyan bada khoi supply ware kungi panju amat leitre aduga akoi da taseng na bese singa phajana thamoi sena yengbiragadi akoi karsu sumana warning ai leitabane adubu akoi mafam sida lau ubase hairiba condition sida khoi lau ubudi tasengna yana warani aduna aikoi na hajagada badi protect mayam sina sumana aikoi je tasengna raga phajana ngakpi dragadi aikoi di lau ubudi ngamaroi bhai lerebna aikoi khara phaka poidra khallaga tokjabane bako sibai jina khara control tawbigadra na koi tasengna thokpa irailana chop tawgani na khojabane ba adu sida de moina leiriba protection kupijidi tasengna koi no matra lo ubrabu ithawai choidna mangado male lenga sida tasengna koi lamhen tu henba mayama madi Manipur gi parjada yaurum badi yai adubu leiribe area je koi tasengna ga phaireng turing tawami yaujade tasengna ga di akoi icham chamna lomi ngakani aduna aikoi bu tasengna sarkar sina yamna serious oina lobiraga protection je phajana pibidra ga di aikoi tasengna ga di akoi lo pan badi ngamra